So let's see the bonus idea with outside the box. This version is very clean. You don't need to pull out the card from the box. You don't need to put 1, 2, or 3 cards from the top to the bottom, because always the spectators can pull the card out and always they can count the card one by one, and you don't need to change the order. So in this case, this is the most clean version of the trick. So it looks like this. You just put down the deck and you said, this is the last time when you touch the box. So here is an invisible deck. You ask the spectators to shuffle. They shuffle. You hold face down and you turn the card one by one face up. You always named which card is which, and they can stop anytime when they want. So it looks like this: 3 of clubs, 8 of hearts, Queen of spades, 9 of diamond, 4 of diamond, and they say stop on the 4 of diamond in that case. And you ask the spectators, okay, so please you pull it out all of the card from the box and read out loud the prediction inside the box, which is your card is in the 25th in the deck. And you hold the deck face down and you count the card one by one, and let's see which card is on the 25th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th card is the 4 of diamond. And you don't need to put any card from the bottom to the top or from the top to the bottom, because now you have only 8 cards in the 8 pure position in the deck. These are 8 special cards, and you don't need to memorize that card, because you have a cheat sheet again, but not on the jokers, it's on the box, on the QR code. I mean on these numbers. So you have 2 0, which is a little bit smaller than these 8 numbers, and these 8 numbers is your order, your stack in the deck, in the 8 pure position in the deck. So you just put the deck like this, and you never touch again, and you just count the card behind the box, because if you count here and you look the card, your angle of your eyes is the same when you just see this order, this number on the card box. And this order is the 8 pure positions. So I put on the chased. Chased, that means clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds. Clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds. So it means 3 of clubs, 8 of hearts, Queen of spades, 9 of diamond, Ace of clubs, 2 of hearts, 7 of spades, 4 of diamond. But if you count like this way, to 3 of hearts, 3 of clubs, 8 of hearts, Queen of spades, 9 of diamonds, and you count again in the same way like this: Ace of clubs, 2 of hearts, 7 of spades, 4 of diamonds. Maybe the spectators can hear a pattern of the clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds, clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds. So you need to break the pattern of the voice. So I'm always read like this way: 3 of clubs, 8 of hearts, Queen of spades, 9 of diamonds, and I reverse this one. So I start with the 4 of diamonds, 7 of spades, 2 of hearts, and ace of clubs. So we have 8 chance to say stop anytime. And before the 8 cards, and before I explain to the spectators they can stop anytime, I named 3 or 4 cards freely, any 4 cards. So before they stop you, I just show, okay, we have the shuffle invisible deck, and we turn face up one by one the cards. So this is the king of diamond, 2 of clubs, 7 of spades, 9 of hearts, and you can stop anytime. So they already hear 4 cards, which is 4 non-important cards. And after you start the dealing your sequence. And after when you deal all of the 8 cards, you can deal again the 8 cards. But it's not too necessary, but in that case I'm broke the pattern again. So I'm not reading the same way again. I broke like this. So I start here, 3 of clubs, 8 of hearts, queen of spades, 9 of diamonds, 4 of diamonds, 7 of spades, 2 of hearts, ace of clubs, and I'm not start again with the 3 of clubs, 8 of hearts. I'm start with a queen, 3, 8, 9. You just broke the pattern like this, a little bit jazzing. So you said, okay, so this is the 5th card, 4 of diamond, 7 of spades, 2 of hearts, ace of clubs, and I go to queen of spades, 3 of clubs, 8 of hearts, 9 of diamonds, and I go here, 2 of hearts, 7 of spades, ace of clubs, 4 of diamonds. So you're a little bit jazzing with this, but always when you see one card, you already know which suit with that card. For you just practicing 10 minutes or 20 minutes, and you just recognize, okay, if I look this card in this place, I know it's a club. If I look this card, I know it's a diamond. This is a clubs. This is a spades, diamonds, hearts, heart, spades, diamonds. So you can jazzing with this, and the spectators can stop any card because they can't remember 8 cards in order. So they feel you count maybe 12 or maybe 16 different cards, and they choose freely one of those. So I'm always put these 4 cards, the 3 of clubs, 8 of hearts, queen of spades, and 9 of diamonds, is on the away face up on the main positions. So on the 4, so the first prediction is number 4. So on the 4th position is the 3 of clubs. On the 11th position is the 8 of hearts. Is the 18th position is the queen of clubs, and the 25th position is the 9 of diamonds from face up. But from face down, always I put the 4th position is the ace of clubs. I put the 11th position, the 2 of hearts. I put the 7 of spades on the 18th position, and I put the last 4 of diamonds on the 25th position. So when the spectators say stop anytime, let's try like this, here on the queen of spades, you already know, okay, this is the 3rd card in this stack, the first stack is on the face up way, so the third one is the 18th position, because this is on 4, 11, 18, and 25. And the prediction on the box is so logical because it goes from the bottom to the top and to inside, and from the bottom to inside is 4, 11, on the flap is 18, and inside is 25. So you know 1, 2, 3. So you don't need to memorize which number it says. It's 4, 11, 18, or 25. You don't need to memorize that. You just need to memorize, okay, this is the third card in this 4 group. So I need to reveal the third prediction, which is the flap. And you don't need to memorize, okay, the flap prediction is 18, because the spectator is read. So they can tell you which is the flap prediction. You don't need to memorize that. So you just jazzing, you goes around and you stop somewhere, let's see, ace of clubs, and you see, okay, this is the second group, so they need to hold face down the deck. This is the first card, so they need to read out loud the bottom prediction, and it says 4. So they said, okay, let's see, 1, 2, 3, and the fourth card is the ace of clubs, always. So this is the bonus idea of the outside the box. I hope you enjoy, and see you next time.